Well, hello to all of my awesome YouTube fans. How are you doing today? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. If you're curious on what I'm doing today in my awesome room, and I get these very nice comments about this cross hanging on my wall, basically. Well, it's actually a story behind it. Let me kind of show you what I mean. This is my sister, Lynn, basically. And by the way, she's no longer here with us anymore. She's now in heaven. I wish there was some way I can bring her back, but it's nothing I can do. It's a very emotional roller coaster for me sometimes when I look at this cross all the time. I built this out of wood, and basically I made it for my sister. You can kind of see, it's the year she was born, it's the year she was taken away from us. But there was my sister's name. You kind of can see. But basically, it's just a lot of history and a story behind this. And I was explaining that to you guys in a different video. But basically, let's move on from that and let's get into a unboxing vlog for you today. And that's basically what I got right here. I ordered something on Amazon, basically. It's actual for this guy. See, how can this thing open? Let's find out what we got. We got 3 of these brand new USB chargers, and we're going to take a look at them and install them in this battery backup system I made. But let's go and have some fun. Hey to all my awesome YouTube fans, if you're curious on what I'm doing today with the actual battery backup system I made not too long ago, basically I'm just going to go ahead and replace these cigarette outlet basically with 3 brand new USB charging plugs. You can kind of see I have 2 of them right here. And basically, I just wanted some extras on the actual battery bank itself. And that's what these 3 boxes are for. Basically, of course, you know, made in China. Nothing special there. But that's what the actual box looks like and the name of the unit looks like. Let's go ahead and basically unbox it for you. There's what one of them look like. I have a total of 3 of these because I ordered 3 because I wanted to make sure I fill up the holes in the lid itself. Not going to need these connectors, I'm just going to save those for something else. And basically, here's what it looks like. You got your positives and negatives. We'll screw the thing now. And basically, that's what it looks like. Basically, I'm going to show you how these work. You just stick them in like this. And you should fit nicely. And once you do all that, you just basically put your locking ring on and hook them up. And I will show you that in the next clip. Basically how these actual work, basically these are for 12 volt batteries, but it has a converter inside to convert the 12 volts to 5 volts basically. And make sure you get your negatives and positives connection right. You can kind of see here is your silver side, that's your positives, and the gold side is your negative side. Basically, it's just all it is USB with different types of a USB amp output. This one is 5 volts 1 amp, and the one down below is 5 volts 2.1 amps. And it also has a little indicator light. And make sure you take your locking ring off, basically. You just slide it right into the hole. Might be a little tight, but it will sure fit. Now you take your locking ring here, basically just screw it into place. Now, you can actually use a tool for this, but you don't need to. You just need to hand tighten it. Now you just take your cables and you just plug them in. It's very simple. Not very complicated. Make sure you actually hook it up the right way. I made a bit of a mistake right here. Make sure your white is your positives. And after that, you just put your fuses back in. Then we'll test it. Well, I forgot to plug in the actual main fuse, the 30-amp fuse right here, and that goes right over here. Make sure you plug that in, and make sure everything is off right now, and let's go ahead and test it. And there you go, and all the lights all lit. Now, let's see. Can you guys go see that? Probably not, but let's go ahead and turn off the main light here. But there's your lights, basically. Now, it's a way to test these to make sure it's actual charging on your phone. Basically, you get your phone to test it or some USB-on devices. But yeah, looks pretty good. It looks pretty snazzy with the USBs on it, should I say. Turn that off. And basically, by putting the main fuse in here, it turns everything on the top. Means basically, the only two hot things I have is this guy over here and this down below. And that's awesome as well. There is the small upgrade for my backup battery system itself. But you're gonna say, Chris, what are you gonna do with the 3 12-volt cigarette outlets? Well, I'm just gonna keep them as extra, basically. It's basically what it looks like. It's the traditional cigarette outlet, basically. Now, you're gonna say, Chris, why can't you just plug 2 devices in the same USB unit? You could do that, but I don't recommend it because I actually did that once and blew up the actual USB unit itself, and not a good idea. But basically, let's go ahead and test it with one of these portable battery chargers. Doesn't matter which one I use. I can use all of them now. That's awesome. Alright, let's see. Does it charge? Yeah. Nice. And basically, I think it looks fantastic with the extra USBs on it. What do you think? I think it looks kind of cool. It's awesome. Thing's heavy, but still looks pretty nice. Alright, if you guys and girls are supporting this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. Well, please see you in the future vlog, and have a nice day. Catch you later.